All right, class, we're just going to review our Hangman division here. So what we got here is an equation 4 into 164, or 164 divided by 4. Now, obviously, we've gone over the traditional method, but it can be complicated, and I want to take a look at this Hangman division. So before we even get started, let's think about what we know about our simple multiplication, and then what we're going to do is we're going to actually take those numbers right out of 164. So what we're going to do here is we're going to just start off with some simple multiplication. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 3 is 12. Well, because we know that whenever we're just multiplying by a multiple of 10, we simply only need to add a 0 to that. So that's going to be 40, it's going to be 80, and that's going to be 120. All right, now what we want to do is we want to pick one of these numbers that's closest to 164, and we're actually going to take that right out. So if we look here, we can see that 4 times 30 is in fact 120. So we're literally going to take 120 out of 164, and we know that when we take 4 and multiply it 30 times, it's going to give us 120. So let's subtract that. 4 minus 0 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. It leaves us with a total of 44. Well, we already know that this one is finished. We won't need to use this anymore. We won't need to use this anymore. But we can see that we still have 44 remaining, so we can still take 40 more out of here. And the way that we do that is by multiplying 4 times 10. So if we say 4 times 10 is 40, and now we subtract, we are left with 4 remaining. Well, this is now done, 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 and we are left with 4 times 1 is 4. And as you can see, we have no remainder. All we have to do now is tally up everything that we have already taken out, and we've got 30 plus 10 plus 1 is 41.